everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. In this video, I'm going to show you the feature and the functionality that come with our newest version of 10.25 inches high definition screen. Originally, it's going to come with the basic radio right here. You can see that this is the original panel. We just replace it with this fantastic 10.25 inch screen. The original one is only the basic radio right here, okay? And originally the backup camera is gonna be just on the mirror, okay? It's only on the tiny mirror here. Right now we transfer the signal to the bigger screen. You can see that's very nice and it's very clear, okay? Let's talk about some of the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest version of the Qualcomm chipset. It also comes with the octa-core. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage memory. It also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. It comes with the off-night GPS. It supports the Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music. It also comes with the off-night GPS, and you can download any of the application to the system. For example, you can install the YouTube, you can install the Netflix to the system as well. For example, all of the feature of the application is going to be right here. Netflix is right here. And you can also go to the YouTube. YouTube is right here too. It's very nice, okay? Okay, let's start from the GPS first. Navigation is off-night. This is the off-night GPS. In order to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here. Click on the new row, address. You can enter the address right here. And you also support the radio. You can see that. This car does not come with the steering wheel control. If your car comes with the steering wheel control, you will be able to use the steering wheel control volume button on the wheel to control the volume on the system, okay? So however, this system does not come with the steering wheel control, so you will need to adjust the volume from the screen, all right? So other than that, this one also supports the AM.
Compact crossover SUVs loaded with standard features like Honda sensing technology.
Okay, it's very nice. The signal is very nice, very strong. Okay, this system also comes with the advanced version of the signal amplifier. You know, so you will be guaranteed you will catch up the radio signal as strong as the original. And other than that, you can also install the Netflix right here. You can also watch the YouTube. This is the YouTube video right here. Okay, you can also watch the movie right here. You can also connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, but I'm going to show you some of the application here first, okay? For example, the Netflix, you can also watch the Netflix on the system as well. You can download the movie to the USB and then you can also play that on the system as well. For example,
in the business, new car. I'm what you call an ice cold can of whoop ass. Career lawman, always gets his guy. We're gonna need to operate outside the system. Dick Shaw.
I'm what you might call a champ.
You can see the resolution of the screen actually is very nice, okay? It's very high definition, okay? Other than that, you can also go to the internet browser right here. You can also access to the internet. You can browse the internet from Google Chrome. You can also download any of the application from the Google Play Store right here, right? And we will also preload the Spotify, the Waze on the system as well. It's also come with the Google Map here. The Google Map actually is the newest version of the Google Map, okay? In the newest version of the Google Map, we allow you to download the map data to the unit because the unit comes with 64GB, so it will be more than enough for you to download the map data to the system. What does that mean? The Google Map, when after you download the map data to the unit, next time when you use the Google Map, you do not need to connect to the Wi-Fi, okay? So basically, how to do that, you just need to click on the screen, click on this icon, off-night map, select your own map, then you can download your own map here, okay? Okay, now it's time for us to try the Apple CarPlay. It also supports the Android Auto, just keep that in mind, okay? In order to use the wireless Apple CarPlay, first of all, you need to bring out your cell phone, all right? And then go to your Bluetooth and then search this device. It's called Benz. Then you can go here, connect to the Bluetooth device of the unit. Okay, enter the password 0000. Pair. Once it got paired, you can see that you come with the icon right here, the Bluetooth icon. It will automatically pop up the ceiling, and then you can grant authorization on the cell phone. Use CarPlay. Perfect. This is Apple CarPlay. It's very nice. You can see that it's very nice on the unit. Okay, so in order to use this one, you can also play any music from the Apple CarPlay. You can make the phone call, you can check your message, you can check your WhatsApp on the system as well. Okay, so it will be fully compatible with all the features. Okay, you can also change the wallpaper of the Apple CarPlay. How to do that? You can just go to setting right here, and then you can go to wallpaper. And then you can also change the color of the Apple CarPlay. This Apple CarPlay also supports the voice control. In order to use the Siri, just hold the bottom left corner. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 24 degrees, and the low will be 18.
Bring me to gas station.
One possibility is Petro-Canada on Shepherd Avenue East.
Okay, yes, you can see that it's very smart and it's very convenient. Okay, but while you're using wireless Apple CarPlay, just keep that in mind. You won't be able to connect to the YouTube at the same time, because wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning. Once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background to transfer the data. This one you need to keep that in mind. Okay, now I'm gonna go through the setting with you, and then go to the setting. The first option is the network. Okay, you can just connect to the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. Okay, and then display, you can also change the wallpaper right here. Okay, and then you can also change the brightness level. Okay, the lights display and all this kind of feature right here. All right, and then other than that, you can just go back, and then another thing is the car setting right here element. Okay, this is the light here. You can see that you can see the light. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that. You can see the light here. Okay, this one will also adjust the color of the light at the front of the unit. Okay, for example, you can also adjust to blue, red, okay, green or white color. You can change the color right here. You also come with the equalizer right here. Okay, you can change the equalizer right here and ensure the really good sound quality. Okay, and other than that, you can also go to driving setting. You can adjust the setting for the video and extra setting, and then you can also adjust the volume, reversing volume. Okay, and also all these kind of feature. All right. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.